Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to edit Instagram highlight cover. Instagram users are allowed to quickly and easily change their stories highlight cover image. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and open the stories highlight which cover you would like to change. Hit the three dots icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the Edit Highlight option from the pop-up menu. Then click on the Edit Cover option at the top of the screen. Now choose the picture from your phone's gallery, or you can use the story from the highlight as a cover photo. As soon as the cover image is selected, tap Done in the upper right corner. Hit Done one more time in order to save changes. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to edit Instagram highlight cover. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.